Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this video we are going to learn easy maths trick. So these you can see on the board, these are all natural number. It is starting from 21 to 30. There are 10 natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if I going to add the natural numbers, it take a little bit time. But in this video, I will show you a trick. With this trick, you can easily find out the solutions. So what you have to do, you have to take the starting number. So here the starting number is 21 and n is ending with 30. So take this 21, you have to write 21. Then always you have to add 4. So you will get 25 and one more 5 you have to add, so 25. This is the trick. In the second case, it is start from 61 to 70. So it is started from 61. Write 61 here. 61 as always you have to add 4. So what will get 65. Now you have to add one more 5. So 655 is the answer if we're going to add from 61 to 70. And the last one, this is not started from just previous one, it is started from 21, it is started from 61, but I have taken from 95. But these are all consecutive serials number. 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104. So these are all consecutive serial numbers. If I'm going to add, what is the trick? Trick is that you have to take the starting number, that is 95, and then what you have to do, you have to add 4. So we'll get 99. Then you need to do, you add one more 5 here. So 995 is the answer. If I'm going to add from 95 to 104, 10 consecutive numbers, definitely you are going 995. So in that way, if you follow the trick, within a short time, you can find out the answer. I hope it is going to be very useful for the students. Thank you for watching.